Hi everyone, here's a cool video telling of a mysterious ship that had been lost in the Bermuda Triangle, but has now been found. Let's have a brief listen.
The Cuban Coast Guards has said that they'd captured a ghost ship heading for the island, which is acknowledged to be the SS Cotopaxi. It was gone missing 90 years from today in December 1925 and has since been associated to the tales of the mysterious Bermuda Triangle. When the patrol boats encircled the ship and launched a search operation on it, they were shocked to see that the ship was certainly a nearly 100-year-old historical steamer acknowledged as the SS Cotopaxi, a label notably connected to the tales of the Bermuda Triangle. There are no humans on board, no captain, no crew, nothing, and it was noticed that the ship was not controlled or used by anybody since ages. But it was quite sure that the steamer was a tramp freighter gone missing in 1925. What has been found on the ship? The ship was all abandoned since ages, and after an extensive research, they finally managed to find the captain's logbook. It was the 29th day of November in 1925, when the SS Cotopaxi left the Charleston port in South Carolina, and directed toward Havana, Cuba. There were 32 crew members on board and were under the command of Captain W. J. Meyer, and used to be carrying a cargo to Caribbean. The ship was once deferred to missing 2 days later, and was missing for close to 90 years, and nobody even talked about the ship in past 90 years that it was found or something. The mysterious reappearance of the SS Cotopaxi has, nevertheless, already created a lot of attention in the scientific area and would push some experts to change their intellect on the field.
That video was uploaded by UFO Mania on June 18, 2016. The same story was also covered by, among others, a publication called Mr. Healthy Alternative, and it was dated 10 days later on June 28th of this year. But the story has been around for more than a year. It was first released on May 18, 2015 by World News Daily Report. It's exactly the same report about the Cuban Coast Guard intercepting the SS Cotopaxi, a ship that disappeared in the area known as the Bermuda Triangle. Okay, well, the real news is that the SS Cotopaxi is still lost at sea. World News Daily Report is a fake news site whose disclaimer page clearly tells us what it's about. Quote, World News Daily Report is a news and political satire web publication which may or may not use real names, often in semi-real or mostly fictitious ways. All news articles contained within worldnewsdailyreport.com are fiction and presumably fake news. Any resemblance to the truth is purely coincidental, except for all references to politicians and/or celebrities, in which case they are based on real people, but still based almost entirely in fiction." Unquote. So if I should just mention the World News Daily Report sometime in the future, keep in mind that it's fake news, and thanks for watching.